Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing? I hope good. Woo! I'm like looking all over the place. I'm so behind. Oh my gosh, we're doing Boxycharm today. I'm so behind. Okay, but anyway, we're doing Boxycharm, even though I'm behind. And you guys know they got the Laura Lee palette, which, look, I'm setting it aside right now. This is how it comes in the box, just like this, because you know I already have it. So this is gonna go into a giveaway, which I have a lot of stuff. Oh my god, I almost fell. Some nice stuff building up for a giveaway for you guys. So that's awesome. And I'll just use my palette when we're talking about this. But yeah, so we're going over Boxycharm today, even though I'm behind. And I want to jump right in and talk about the iPads, because we're going to pop these on, and I want to put them on at the beginning. So this month, the box is Life of the Party. Oh, I feel like that's a suiting box for me. Look. Do you see my shirt? It's for, look, perfect for Laura. And I used to meow. You guys don't know that about me. I used to meow all the time. And I saw this shirt and I was like, oh, it's the perfect shirt for today since Laura's in the box. Anywho, Life of the Party. So on the backs we got, a 20% off Smashbox coupon and a 25% off coupon for Laura Lee. Those both expire in September. And then we have the list of everything that's in here, and we are going to talk right off the bat about these so I can pop them on. They're by Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and you get 3 of them. A value of $13. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extract and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. I'm excited to try these, especially since I just got my filler. Whew. Let's see if we notice a difference from like right now until after we do these. It doesn't apply onto clean dry under eyes, repeat on the other side, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so that's perfect. We'll put them on right now and then we'll go over the rest of the box. So they come just like this. Oh, all right. Let's pop. My hair is like literally falling out. I ordered ass extensions off Amazon and I'm not happy about it. I can't wait to redo my hair with good extensions. It's my own fault. You get what you pay for. Oh, these feel nice. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. Ooh. I'm so strange. Alright, what am I doing? Okay. Ooh. Guys, I cried the other day forever and I think I moved. I gotta show you what I did and I'll just show you. Hold on after this. Okay, so I got this gunk all over the place. So let's throw that away. And we'll leave these on and we'll see how these babies work. Maybe I'll put them in a giveaway too. Unless I really love them. Okay, so then next we have the Laura Lee palette, which this is $19 value. This is the Party Animal eyeshadow palette. It just says it leaves you looking ready for a fun night. 6 colors. This is a cool palette. You'll see. I'm gonna do a look with it, okay? And then this. Okay, I got a bone to pick about this. The House of Lashes $9 to $12. Add length and dimension to your makeup look. With your new favorite lashes, cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting, these lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. These lashes look like I just picked up some, okay, I'm doing a wedding trial, like run through tonight, and I picked up some good old drugstore Ardell's because I'm going to try them on and I'm going to be like, listen, if this ain't enough, I can order you good lashes online, like, you know, because people don't usually wear, like the average person is, if they're putting thick eyelashes on, it's just gonna be drugstore one. Like, I used to never even know you could order something like better than that, you know, like, but these are worse. Like, I like those drugstore Ardell's. These look like total trash to me. Like, I am not even remotely excited to put these on. You know how I am about my eyelashes. Like, ew, look at the quality. Oh no, this is like, you can hear it when they're like that and you're like, oh, all right. Next, okay, Smashbox assorted lip products, $21 to $24. I'm loving my lippy. I looked at it already. This pigment loaded color glides on in just one swipe, blah, blah, blah. Look at how pretty mine is. This is red ombre. I'm literally so excited for this, but I don't know what I look to do with it. What's going on? Oh, how darn gorgeous is that? Oh my god, I'm in love. I cannot wait to use this. Cannot wait. I like this. This is probably my favorite product so far. Then we have Bang Beauty, $22, chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. What is going on with this? An eyeshadow base? Am I the only one who's confused around here? I need a comment. I need you guys to explain this to me down below because I'm really, really confused. Ades Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, $18. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. Okay, like, I guess I'm excited about this, but, like, not really. Like, I don't know, this box is, like, confusing me. Like, the iPads, like, when I get iPads, I'm like, okay, cool. The lippy I love, the lashes I hate. This, yet to be determined. The palette's okay. And this is just, like, I don't know. It's, like, in this box, it's, like, I either love it or I hate it. There's no in-between with this box for me. So let's just pop this on our cuticles and like really just give them a, let's give them a little treat, guys. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Wow, it's really a party on my cuticles right now. Oh wow, after a night out. Oh, that was like exactly, oh, that was exactly what I needed. All right, I'm done now. Okay. So we have that on my cuticles for $18. Perfect. Okay. Let's do an eye look or something. Oh my god, can you imagine that I actually have to put these on my eyes? Like, are you kidding me right now? I might not end up using this because I don't really want to. Does that mean I don't want to use this eyeliner? Like, I'll show you guys. I'm using like an eyeliner brush, like the Kat Von D. Like, that's what it would look like. Like, I have no desire. I'm sorry. I have no desire for this. I don't really like the product. I won't be using that. So let's get down to the look. How about that? because I know what I'm gonna do now and I'm kind of excited for it. Okay, should we take these pads off? I think it's been long enough. I mean, with stuff like this, I have a hard time telling a lot. I liked them. Yeah. I feel like I need more filler. Ooh, I have a problem. Ooh, okay. So, let's get started. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna dig in. I have like my eyeshadow down. I'm not really putting a powder down. I'm just gonna go straight in with the shadow, and I'm gonna Damage Control and Karaoke are what I'm gonna be using. So I'm just gonna go straight in with this and like not really blend, but more or less like pat it down. And I'm coming up in this type of shape, like. And then I'm gonna come over here because I want to keep the shape consistent, and I haven't really decided totally like what shape I'm doing yet. Now I'm gonna build this blue up. By just continuing to pat the color on. And now I'm gonna go all over because I want it on the lid as well. Oh, I really like this. I'm gonna leave this super simple, I can already tell. And now I'm gonna actually keep the brush the same, just like dust it off a tiny bit, and I'm gonna go in with Karaoke and just like really darken this up. Oh gosh, yes. I'm so excited right now. But I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end up putting the other blue over top. Guys, I'm in love with these colors together like this. And then I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and just really go in there and blend those corners. And then take this dark blue again. Oh, I love it. Now, I'm gonna come in the corners and I'm gonna take the orange and I'm gonna come into the corner with the orange. Just like real abruptly. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my face, finish up, and you guys can see the look. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I got my look all put together. I put the lashes on as expected. I hate them, and especially because I did a really intense look. It needed a way more intense lash. I'm happy with the eye look. The only thing is the same thing as when I first used this palette. I like the colors, but look, like they're fading. They don't, I don't know how to say it. Like, they're nice, they're pretty, they're great for like me doing a look here. I don't know how their wearing power is. They're not maybe the best of the best. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to be like rude, but like, I don't know. But anyway, I finished my look, did not use the eyeliner, oh no way. And now I'm gonna put the lippy on and we're gonna see how it looks. I don't know what I did with this orange. It's like a whole freaking hot mess on my eyes. I should not have done the orange. There we go. I love my NYX Milk pencil, man. It's my trusty, dusty pencil. All right, let me put some of my Faves oil on. Oh, look at them cheekbones, though. Kat Von D. I'm telling you, this highlighter, man, highlights you to the heavens. Now, let's put this on. The ombre effect is pretty cool. Sometimes I like just like a, you know, not a matte lip. I get sick of those sometimes. My lip is 2 different colors. Great. This is great. I don't like this at all. I need a brush to apply. See, this is just a whole hot mess. Now I have so much to fix. Like, it's just a mess. I don't like this at all. Alright, I got it the best I'm gonna get these lips. I'm lying. I don't hate the color. I don't like it though. See, it just looks so strange. It's like I can't get it dark in this corner over here. There we go. Okay, now that it's on, like, I like it. What do you guys think? I like the look. Alright, I like it. Okay. Alright, Boxycharm. I don't hate the box as much as I thought. You guys let me know what you think of it. Looks a little much. I tend to have this problem, don't I? But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm going to put out story time. I absolutely promise. Tomorrow is going to be so darn busy. It's not going to go out. So it looks like Friday will be story time. I promise it's going to be an overdose story also. So yeah, that'll be out. You guys know the drill. Head to my Instagram. Check out my giveaway. My makeup looks always are going up there. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the box. And answer, I had a question. And I forget what it was. But I asked it. And whatever that question was, answer it down below for me. Thank you guys. I love you. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it. All right, love you guys. Bye.